How to check your purchase history on Etsy. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Etsy.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to check your purchase history on Etsy, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. In the drop-down menu that appears, tap on the Purchases and Reviews option. In the interface that you will be led to, make sure you are in the Purchases tab, and if not, then tap on the Purchases tab and you will be able to view all your purchases on Etsy. I currently have not made any purchases on Etsy, so mine is empty at the moment. So, this is how you can check your purchase history on Etsy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.